Today I'll make a red wine beef stew. I'll need a nice chuck steak, red wine of any kind, and tomato paste. And then vegetables, shallot, onions, baby carrots, mushroom, and weird potatoes. First, I'll cube the chuck steak using a secret technique. Phew, that takes a lot of energy. Then I'll get my stew pot, heat up some oil, and sear the beef on high heat. After nicely brown, I'll remove the beef and set aside. I'll turn the heat to low and caramelize the chopped onion. Occasionally I'll stir the bottom to prevent any burning. Next I'll add in the mushrooms. They'll release a lot of water, so I can use it to start scraping the bottom and collecting the seared bits. Finally, the red wine. And then adding the red wine into the pot, about half the bottle. Then add the tomato paste. I found some nice leaves outside. I'll add in the bay leaves, rosemary, and thyme for some herbal aroma. And I also forgot to add in a tablespoon of flour to help thicken the stew. So, there you go. I'll mix it all up and then return the beef in all its nice juice. Out in the water so that I can reduce it. I'll simmer it uncovered for 1 hour. After reducing, I'll add in the carrots and weird potatoes. I'll then stir it all up, but now the alcohol has burned off and the flavors have melted together, so I can now taste for seasoning. And it definitely needs some black pepper. I'll add in a bit more water so it doesn't get too thick and start to burn. I'll cover it and simmer for 1 more hour. The aroma now is fantastic. The strong wine scent still lingers, but it's combined with the smell of herbs and beef. And one more taste test. The sharp wine taste has been dulled, so now I can use a bit more salt and pepper. And now I have a lovely bowl of red wine beef stew. The soup is sour and savory from the red wine, so the sweet carrots and mushroom are a nice contrast. The beef is also very tender and flavorful from the absorbed red wine. The stew is quite good on its own, but it gets better over a bowl of pasta. The stew can be further reduced into an intense red wine sauce. After it's thickened, I'll add in some cooked spaghetti. I'll finish it with more black pepper and some balsamic vinegar. Ah, very nice. Chef kiss.